Tools and Twisties. Hey, low profile sockets like these Astro Nanos have become my go-to tools in my toolbox, replacing my primary chrome sockets and my regular impact sockets for many, many jobs. And I was getting ready to film a series. We were going to talk about the variety of dual drive sockets out there from Astro, from Ulsa just introduced a new line. Vim has some. Matco has some offerings. We're going to talk about the different types of sockets that are out there, the different styles of sockets, and the different drive tools to use the sockets. But that's going to be coming in 2 additional videos. For today's video, I wanted to highlight a deal that's on right now on Amazon. Astro has these Astro, and I think this is sort of the entry point into the Nano ecosystem if you don't already use and enjoy stubby or Nano sockets. The Astro 3/8 inch drive Nano, they come in 2 different set sizes. This is the smaller set, but it's 6 to 19, which is a pretty broad range. And what I like about it is that right now it is on sale for 32 bucks. They're chrome moly sockets, they're impact rated. And if you're not familiar with how these sockets work, basically, they're sort of low profile sockets that can be used in a variety of ways. They can be used on a regular ratchet, well, let's throw it on this KTC roto head ratchet and use it just as a standard socket. When you use a roto head, you also get the ability to use it as a nut driver. And you can also put it on dedicated wrenches that are designed for use with these sockets, like this Astro. And I'll have part numbers and links to all of these below. And there's the model numbers and the parts are very similar. So make sure you order the right parts. Like for instance, there's a couple of different versions of this wrench in different lengths at different prices, and there's a couple of different versions of these sockets in different set sizes at different prices. So take a look at the links if you want to make sure you get to the ones I'm talking about. But these are great because they have super low clearance. We've talked about them many times before on my channel, and I don't want to go into them in too much detail, but I wanted to highlight the deal that is available right now on these. And I think that's a pretty good price at 32 bucks. Now you can buy the wrench as well with it. It's another few bucks, 23 bucks for the wrench. But you don't need this wrench in order to use these sockets. I mean, it certainly adds some functionality to these sockets that you wouldn't have without having a matching wrench. But there's no reason why you can't use these on normal ratchet wrenches. I think they work particularly well on low clearance ones, but they work fine on conventional ratchets as well. For instance, this Tone, I love these Tone wrenches, ratchet wrenches. They're, very small, 1/4 inch body, 3/8 inch anvil, quick release, relatively inexpensive, and boy, that makes a nice professional quality tool for low clearance. And if you throw it on a bigger ratchet, you can put it on the long one, and great for getting to front of engine bolts that are hard to reach and have very low clearance. I know I've used that for that a few times. So at any rate, that is the Astro, $32, and the Astro wrench, another $23. We're also going to talk about the giveaway, a cool tool of the day today, and give you another quick preview of what we have coming up. This is the Tone I just showed you, 33 bucks. It's a great little ratchet. I really like these Tones, made in Japan and super high quality, very nice, great design, just something that you don't get in every other ratchet. There's so many good ratchets out there these days, but so many of them are very much the same as well. So the advantage of this one is that it's a little bit different than what you might already have. Links to that below. For the giveaway this month, we have been running sort of a poll, and in the comments section, either the Vera ratcheting bit, not non-ratcheting, the extendable bit driver with a bit carousel in it, or the PB Swiss 6464, which also holds bits in it. And it looks like the Vera, by a slim margin, is ahead. So I think we're going to go ahead with the Vera for the August giveaway. So do August new sub if you're a new subscriber, or August OG if you're an OG subscriber. But coincidentally, this tool also works pretty well with these sockets. You do need a bit adapter, a 1/4 inch hex to, in this case, 3/8 inch square bit adapter. This one's from Makita, and now you have a full set of nut drivers to go with your locking interface, full set of tools between these two things here. Very nice. Throw in that little Tone ratchet or the bigger KTC, and you have quite a set of tools. There are other companies that make these, and we'll be talking about these soon. Also just introduced a whole line of stubby ratchets, and Astro calls them Nanos. ULSA calls them stubbies. Here's an example of the ULSAs, and we'll talk about these more in an upcoming video. And then there's bigger sets. This is the larger size range set from Astro, and the half-inch set from Astro, and the half-inch set from Harbor Freight, which has some issues. Half-inch set from ULSA. They make a half-inch set as well. They come in hex and triple square and Torx varieties. They come in 12-point varieties. And we'll talk about all of those in the next video. But today I wanted to focus on this and some other deals that are going on. I also wanted to show you these new Vim extension, put these on a conventional extension and make sort of any size wrench you want. We're going to talk about this in the third video, which talks about all the different options for driving your dual drive ecosystem from Astro, from Matco, from Vim, how you can use, vessel ratcheting bit drivers to do it, Makita tools, quite a flexible ecosystem. So at any rate, yes, the giveaway for August is August new sub or August OG, and we'll give away this great Vera bit driver. I think the advantages for this that people seem to like is, one, it had this extension bit in it that could come out, and then you can pop this directly into an impact, which works well, and then run your bits in it. Or in this case, you could also run your sockets, all impact rated. Or you can, take the bits out. If you need a very flexible tools. These Makitas are great. These little impact drivers are great too. But very flexible tool, and you have the bit storage. And a lot of people commented that they really liked the locking bit holder on this. You do lose a little bit of clearance. It isn't the thinnest locking bit holder in the world, but you're never going to drop your bit out of there. The shaft locks into the handle, and the bit locks into the shaft. And it's a quick insert. You just push it in, and it locks in. There's no need to adjust the collar. You do have to push it to release it. And they felt that was really, the uniqueness of this. And I think this is a better workshop tool. I think the PB Swiss 6464 is a better throw it in a go bag tool. And I put them in all my go bags. I really, really like this tool. I'll have links to these below. So if you're disappointed we're not giving away the 6464, I've never seen a tool vary in price as much as this tool does. These go as low as $35 and as high as $70, depending on the day and the color. I usually am able to link to a red one that's usually $35 to $40. That just went up to $50. The blue and the purple ones are even more, and they go up and down. So when I feature these on my channel and I say there's a good deal on them, grab it quick, because the price on these changes super, super fast. But at any rate, you can grab one of these if you're interested. And that is the August giveaway. What else do we have? There's a couple of other deals going on right now on Amazon, some new releases. Another new release is these Oknife AION. Really, really nice sort of gentleman's pocket knife. They have two on sale right now, one in green micarta and one in black G10. They have a really nice steel on them. It's a Swedish steel 14C28N. I'm not a steel expert, but I'm told that is a very decent quality steel. And these are on sale for a pretty reasonable price right now. They're on sale 30% off for $49. I think this is only for another week or so, maybe not even that long, and they may sell out. So again, if you want the knife, and it's only the black and the green micarta that are on sale, the rest are at the normal price. And then they have a couple different variations that go up to 120. This one's normally 70. But really nice. They're super flippy. They really open quite nicely. It is a liner lock on it. This micarta handle is really nice. Has some texture to it. It has a reversible or removable pocket clip on it. Nice jimping on the blade. Just really nice. And what I kind of like about it is that it's a really usable knife with some, definite size to it. That isn't like some super scary looking knife. It looks like, as I said, a gentleman's pocket knife. Very, very nice aesthetic, in my opinion. It has sort of a stone-washed matte blade to it. Super, super sharp out of the box. Very nice, on sale. Another item that is currently on special are these Sofirn SE1 Pros. I talked about this before on my channel. They're just these tiny little flashlights. They're on sale for 30 bucks. That's like 15% off. They're the most unique thing about these is the size and the simplicity of use. You push it once and it turns on, and it's a fairly bright light. You push it again and it turns off. You press and hold, and you can get into this ring light mode, and then you can change into different colors and trippy lights and solid color lights and flashing lights and whatever you want. And then it also has an RGB mode out the front, which has different colors that you can select. And it's a magnetic interface on it as well. There's the sort of, I don't know what mode. Yeah, full magnetic interface, which is nice. So if you don't need a pocket knife, you can use one of these as your flashlight holder. So what else do we have today? We're going to have a relatively short video today. We talked about the Sofirn. Again, we'll have a link to this below. Turn that off. 30 bucks. I think they're kind of nice. USB-C. It's a nice metal enclosure. They come with a couple of accessories. They come with like a keychain accessory and a metal beaded chain for putting around your neck, and a little clip adapter if you want to clip it on something. But I think that for me, the magnetic interface, I would keep it slender and just use the magnetic interface on it primarily if I was using it. Okay, so we talked about the Oknife folding pocket knives. These are the AION in black and green micarta. Very nice. Let me know in the comments which you think is nicer. And let me know in the comments what you think of the steel. We got any steel experts out there? How good is that steel? 14C28N. I believe it's a Swedish steel. I'll show you what else. These are made in China. They're not obviously not super high-end knives, but for that kind of price, I think I've been very, very happy with the products I've seen from Oknife and from Olight and from Osight as well. We have a video coming up. We'll talk about some Osight products as well. But I gotta say, I like these. These are not going to be my workshop knives. I'm not using these to open boxes in the workshop, but these are knives that go in my pocket, sort of an EDC knife. Really will enjoy carrying those. Cool tool of the day. We've skipped cool tool of the day for a while. We're going to bring back cool tool of the day. This literally just arrived 5 minutes ago. I ordered it a while ago. It is from Tone. It is a precision screwdriver revolver type, and it has a bunch of Japanese writing on the front and back. It is 26 bucks, so it's not the cheapest in the world. I mean, I really like these HOTO precision screwdrivers. I featured these on my channel, and I think these are still a good deal. These are about 20 bucks. Very, very nice. But I wanted to try this. It's a little bit bulkier, and Tone is a Japanese company. I think that this is probably not made in Japan, but it's very cool. It's sort of, you pull it back and you rotate this to whatever tool you want, a number 0 Phillips, a number 1 Phillips, straight blades, and then it comes with a couple of additional blades that you can replace things with. So if you want a number 1 Phillips, you put it there, and there's your number 1 Phillips. Pretty cool. Pull it back, number 0 Phillips. So I think for me, I would probably take out some of these straight blades, which I'm probably going to use less frequently, and replace it with some Torx drivers, some small Torx drivers. So it has, 3 straight blades in it, and 2 Phillips, 3 Phillips. So I'd keep the 3 Phillips, and then I'd probably replace the 3 straight blades with Torx. And it looks like it comes with a T8 and a T10. I'd probably go T8, T9, T10. But that is sort of the definition of a cool tool. So yeah, it's mostly plastic. I don't know for sure how how long it will last, but it's pretty cool. I'm pretty impressed with that. And I think I printed off some Google Translate. So what does it say? Precision ratchet screwdriver. I'll post links to these below. They're a little bit hard to read. Doesn't really say much. I did not see a country of origin listed here, which usually means it's not made in Japan. Usually if it's made in Japan, they'll proudly say so. At any rate, so that's Tools and Twisties. Again, we have some videos coming up that we're going to talk about. ULSA stubbies, nano tools, dual drives, the full lineup from Astro. And they are sort of the originators of this. They all come on these great rails. I put mine on easy red rails because I like putting them on backs of toolboxes, or when I'm working on something, I put them on a lift post or whatever I'm working with. They have this full set of bit sockets that, again, I have on 4 different, actually this is the 1/4-inch one, but 3 bit socket rail, actually 4 bit socket rails in the 1/4-inch one, total of 5 there. And a bunch of other stuff that we will show you in an upcoming video. So that's Tools and Twisties for today. Let me know whether you're going to pick up any of these O-knives or the Sofirn Lite, or most importantly, I think, if you haven't already gotten into the Astro Nano ecosystem, the pricing on this now, makes it hard to beat, and you might want to grab one of these while they're on sale. Don't know how long it'll be on sale. So anyway, that's Tools and Twisties for today, and we are out.